Hi friends, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be planning in my Hobonichi Cousin, and I'm going to use the new Kawaii kit from Sweet Kawaii Design. And this kit is called Cottage Core. And you guys, I haven't even completely opened this, but I can tell it's so cute already. The bookmark. So like this is the freebie that comes with the kit, and then you also get the jumbo sticker. Eek! I love this guy. These are so pretty. So the Kawaii kit is open at the beginning of the month, and they're pretty much like exclusive kits that you can just get, oh my gosh, through the subscription. But sometimes, like, these are so cute. Later on, Tasia will release like a modified version in the shop. So this one is available now, and it is so cute. Look at these mushrooms. So I got it in the size to do my cousin, and it comes with enough to do 4 weeks, because she gives you, yeah, 4 weeks worth of bottom washi. Okay. Let's see where I want to start. I haven't really thought about it. I just knew I wanted to use it. I am actually off all week. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited to be off. Should I use the green or the purple or the yellow? Let's use yellow. We were supposed to, well, this is our summer vacation. I took off work, but we don't have any plans. So, you know, I kind of get indecisive with plans. It sounds silly that I'm using a planner and I don't make good plans, but I don't know. Sometimes I hate the idea of spending so much money on a vacation, and then if we don't like it, I don't know, it's silly. I know it's not what it's about. Oh, that's okay. So anyways, I don't really have any plans at all this week, so I'm just going to, for now, decorate it, because I really want to use this kit because it's so cute, and then maybe we'll just go from there and fill it out as I go. Oh, and it's my birthday month. I know it's like really ridiculous that I am one of these people who's like, it's my birthday month, but whatever. I kind of bent this. Trying to see what I'm doing here. I think that it's not gonna be perfect. Okay. I really like these mushrooms. And I like the mustard colors. Actually, I think I'm going to be at work on Sunday. Let me see something. I'm working Sunday. Okay. This is one of those kits that I almost don't even want to use because I just like it so much. This is not a good thing. I mean, it's a good thing. You know what I mean? It's not a good thing that I don't want to use it. I want to use it. Okay. So I'm working Sunday. I don't have my scissors or anything. Oh, I have some scissors here. I'm thinking I want to make it They're so cute, these boxes. All right. So now that I've been working, my husband kind of like did a great job, like started taking over the meals, and then I don't know, it just kind of fell by the wayside. And I'm thinking that I might use this for a meal tracker. Not meal tracker, but that way I can write down what we're gonna eat every day. It's so silly, but I need to start planning like what we're gonna have for lunch and what we're gonna have for dinner. And I know that that's way more checks than meals, but that way like I could just write it in and it'll fit. I don't care if it's more than one box, that's okay. I'm currently reading Loveless by Alice Oseman, and it's so good. It's about a girl finding out, trying to understand her sexuality basically, because she I guess discovers that she's asexual and just kind of figuring out her life and what she wants. So it's very good. I'm enjoying it. I kind of want to plan out a TBR for myself for this month. Last year I did TBRs, but then this year I haven't. And I kind of think maybe I'll start doing that again. And I really need to do a better job about cleaning the house. Oh my gosh. Just gets so out of hand so fast. You guys, I'm loving this kit. It's so cute. I really like the colors. I love pretty much anything that's flowers and reading. But oh my gosh, it's adorable. Let me see. Today we had my family over because it was my mother-in-law's birthday. So we just like grilled chicken and hung out. It was really nice. But now it's later in the day and the sun is setting and the lighting isn't so good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me. I really like the way this turned out. I just need to put the dates on here and then I'll fill it in as the week goes, and I hope everybody has a wonderful week, and thank you so much for joining me, and I will talk to you later.